Hi students, how are you all? You are all fine and safe at home. I am going to teach 10th standard mathematics. The first chapter is relations and functions. The third sum, find k. If f naught f of k equal to 5, where f of k equal to 2k minus 1. So here how to find k value? Same concept here. F naught f of k. Here f of k you substitute in the function f of k. That is the same functions here using only one functions, here using two times. So here f of x you substitute in the f of x, same concept here f of k substitute in the f of k. So here solution, so here the first one f naught f of k equal to 5, this is a given the value. So here f of k equal to 2k minus 1. Here f naught f of k equal to 5. F naught f of k equal to 5. So here f of k substitute in the f of x. So here f of k, what is the value? 2k minus 1. So here substitute in the f of x. So how to find f of x? Here f of k already we know that 2k minus 1. So here 2 into 2k minus 1, that is the function, equal to 5. Here f of k you substitute in the 2k minus 1. So why you are substituting 2k minus 1? Because here f of k value is 2k minus 1. So again you substitute in the same functions. So here same function value using, so 2 into, what is k value? K value is 2k minus 1, that is f of 2k minus 1. So here 2k minus 1, 2 into 2k minus 1 minus 1 equal to 5. Here k part is 2k minus 1. So k part is 2k minus 1. So here 2 into 2k 4k. Then 2 into minus 1. So here plus into minus, minus. Then 2 ones are 2. Then minus 1 equal to 5. Here this is a same symbol. So you have to add, because here same symbol means you have to add both values. Here 4k. So minus 2 minus 1. Here same symbols. So same colors. So you have to add minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Here equal to 5. Then 4k equal to 5. Here left hand side minus 3, you send opposite side, every negative values you send opposite side positive. So minus 3 you send opposite side plus 3. Here negative means you send opposite side plus. Here positive means you send opposite side negative. This is the equations balancing. So 4k equal to 5 plus 3 8. So k equal to 8 divided by 4. So 1 4s are 4. 2 4s are 8. So k equal to 2. This is the answer. The fourth one, if f of x equal to 2x plus 3, then g of x equal to 1 minus 2x and h of x equal to 3x. This is the three types of functions. So first one f of x, second function is g of x, third function is h of x. Then prove that f naught g, g naught h is equal to f naught g naught h. This is a functions. Here you have to simplify the bracket parts. So that is g naught h. You have to simplify g naught h after you substitute in the function f of x. That is the LHS part. Then here RHS part you have to simplify bracket parts, that is f naught g. So you have to simplify f naught g after substitute in the h in the function. What is the function? F naught g. So you have to substitute in the functions f naught g, that is the RHS part. So first I will explain LHS part. So LHS, what is LHS part? F naught g naught h, that is the function. So first one LHS, given f of x equal to 2x plus 3, then g of x equal to 1 minus 2x, then h of x equal to h of x equal to 3x. Here function LHS equal to f naught g naught h. So here g naught h, you have to find first g naught h. So here g naught h, how to find g naught h? Here same conditions. So first h of x substitute in the g of x. So here h of x, what is h of x? 3x. So g of, so h, what is h of x? 3x. So here 3x you substitute in the g of x. What is g of x? 1 minus 2x. So 1 minus 2x. So 2x, then after you substitute 2 into x value is 3x. So 3x. So 1 minus 2 into 3, 6. So 6x. That's it. This is a g naught h. Then after f naught g naught h. So here f naught g naught h equal to f of, here g naught h. What is g naught h? G naught h is a 1 minus 6x. So g naught h is equal to 1 minus 6x. So 1 minus 6x. Here this is a 1 minus x, substitute in the f of x. Where is f of x? 2x plus 3. Now 2x plus 3. Here the x part is 1 minus 6x. You have to substitute 1 minus 6x. So here x. So here 2 into 1 minus 6x plus 3. So here 2 multiply, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 into 6x. What is 2 into 6x? Minus 12x. Then after plus 3. So 2 plus 3, what is the value? 2 plus 3? 5. So 5 minus 12x. This is a first equation, that is LHS. So LHS value is f naught g naught h. So here f naught g naught h. This is an LHS part. Then you have to find RHS part. So next I will explain RHS part. Now I will explain RHS sides. So what is RHS? F naught G naught H. Here RHS equal to F naught G not H. This is an RHS part. So first you have to simplify F naught G. So bracket first you have to simplify. So F naught G. So how to simplify F naught G? So here this is the second part. Whenever you have to substitute in the g of x, you substitute in the f of x. The function g of x substitute in the f of x. So f of, what is g of x function? So 1 minus 2x. So 1 minus 2x. Then 1 minus 2x substitute in the f of x. Here this is f of x. What is f of x? 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3. Here so x remove, then you have to substitute 1 minus 2x. So 2 into 1 minus 2x, then plus 3. So 2 ones are 2 minus 2 twos are 4x minus 4x, then plus 3. Here 2 plus 3 5 minus 4x. This is a f naught g. Then you have to find f naught g not h. F naught g, g naught h. So here you have to substitute f naught g function the h of x. H of x substitute in the f naught g. So f naught g. So what is the function h of x? 3x. So 3x you have to write, and then 3x you substitute f naught g. What is f naught g? F naught g is 5 minus 4x. So here 5 minus 4x. So you have to substitute 5 minus 4 into what is x value? 3x. Then 5 minus 4 into 3, 12. So 12x. Equation number 2. This is the second equation. So combine 1 and 2. So equation 1 and 2 combine. So LHS equal to RHS. Equation 1 and 2 combine. One and 2 combine. So LHS equal to RHS. Henceforth. Now I will explain fifth sum. Find x if g f of x. Here three functions g f of x and equal to f g of x. Given f of x equal to 3x plus 1 and g of x equal to x plus 3. So here how many times repeated the functions? What is the functions? How many repeated? So here f of x is two times repeated. Then g of x also repeated 2 times. Here I will explain. So first LHS side and then after RHS side. Solution. Solution. Here f of x equal to 3x plus 1. Then next g of x equal to x plus 3. So here you have to find x value. So here condition is g of f of x is equal to f g of x. Here f of x g of x. Now I will take LHS side. So what is LHS? So g f of x. Here this f of x you substitute in the f. So here g f of what is f of x? 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1 you substitute in the f. So here g into here what is f of x? 3x plus 1. So here again substitute 3 into what is the x value? 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1 and then plus 1. Here export is 3x plus 1. So you have to substitute in the export. Export is 3x plus 1 plus the same plus 1. So next g of 3 into 3x 9x, then plus 3 ones are 3. So plus 1. Then after g of 9x plus 3 plus 1, what is the value? 4. So 9x plus 4 substitute in the g of x. So here g of 9x plus 4. So what is g of x value? Here g of x equal to x plus 3. So here x plus 3. Here export is 9x plus 4. So 9x plus 4 substitute in the x value. So here 9x plus 4 plus 3. So here 9x, then What is 4 plus 3 value? 7. So you have to add both values because here same symbols. So 9x plus 7. This is an equation number 1, that is LHS part. So LHS part is G f of x. So G f of x. This is a 9x plus 1. So 9x plus 7 is a LHS part. Now RHS part. So what is RHS? F G of x. That is RHS part. F G of x. This is a RHS part. So first you have to simplify g of x, substitute in the g function. Then after these two parts substitute in the f of x. That is the operations. So first one g of x you substitute in the same functions. That is g of x. F g of x. So here f g. What is g of x function? X plus 3. So here x plus 3 substitute in the same functions. So what is the g of x? Same function. So x plus 3. So here x part you have to substitute in the x plus 3. So same f g of x remove, you have to substitute in the same functions. So here x part you have to substitute in the x plus 3 plus 3, that is g of x function. So x plus 3, what is the value? X plus 6. Then x plus 6 you have to substitute in the f of x. Here f g of x is equal to the substitute x plus 6 substitute in the f of x. What is f of x? 3x plus 1. So you have to substitute 3x plus 1. So you have to substitute 3 into what is x value? X plus 6. So x plus 6 plus 1. Then what here? Here f g of x equal to 3 into what is x part? X plus 6. So here x plus 6 plus 1. Here 3 into x, 3x plus 3 6 are 18. So plus 1. So here 3x plus 18 plus 1, 19. This is an RHS part. So here this equation number 2. From 1 and 2 combine and then you have to find x values. Here equal for equation 1 and 2. So 1 equal to 2. So equation 1, what is the value? 9x plus 7. So 9x plus 7 is equal to 3x plus 19. So here x part you have to send LHS side, then constant you send opposite side, that is RHS side. So 9x, here 3x you send a left hand side minus 3x and then equal to 19. Here constant you send RHS side, so minus 7. So 9x minus 3x, what is the value? Here 6x. Then 19 minus 7, what is the value? 12. So x equal to 12 divided by 6. So here 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. So x value is 2. So 12 how many times divide? 6? 2 times. So x equal to 2. That is the answer. This is a very important 5 mark question. Video ku keela vandu pathina study material, question bank and then self assessment. இந்த 3யும் இருக்கும். வந்து first பாத்தீங்கன்னா இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம் அப்படினு கேட்டிங்கனா so function. So இதல வந்து composition of function சொல்லுவோம். So இந்த function வந்து எங்க யூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம எந்த ஒரு மெஷின் அதாவது ஒரு பொருளை தயாரிக்கிறோம்னா இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆபரேஷன் வச்சு தான் இது எல்லாமே நடக்கும். அதே போல் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒரு எக்ஸாம் நடக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்த்திங்கன்னா அதுக்கும் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரியான ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நேமு, அதுக்கப்புறம் ரோல் நம்பர், அதுக்கப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா அவங்களுடைய கோட் நம்பர். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணால் மட்டும்தான் நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக ப்ராப்பராக எக்ஸாம் எழுத முடியும், வேல்யூவேஷனும் ஈஸியாக பண்ண முடியும். அப்படின்றது தான் இந்த காம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் தான் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா எல்லா இடத்துலையுமே யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் தான் இங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அதே போல் எந்த ஒரு வேல்யூ நம்ம சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணுறோமோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேல்யூஸ் கிடைக்கும். இதுதான் வந்து ஃபங்க்ஷனுடைய யூசஸ். சேம் டைம் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா நீங்கள் செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட்டை கம்பல்சரி உங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ் சைன் வாங்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் எழுதிட்டு டெஸ்ட் எழுதி முடித்தோடனே ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ ஸ்னாப் எடுத்துகிட்டு நீங்கள் ஸ்கூல் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு கண்டிப்பாக அனுப்பணும். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்.